Nu, čau visiem! Šodien mēs atrodamies Biķernieku trasē Dīra pienākusi tehniskā diena. Šodien mūsu braucēji varēja iziet tehnisko apskati, kā arī tie, kas bija izņēmuši laicīgi savus licences, varēja jau saņemt uzlīmes. Šodien mēs braucām gan pa lielo trasi, gan pa mazo trasi.
I am a product of change. I brought the product and things. Turning my eggs into games. Channel the pain. Looking to better the days. Yeah. You were a product of fear in the men in the mid. You can't get away from the words. And I am the man. Fucking the pain. Never he speaks. Yeah. And this what he said. You gotta get paid. Do what you gotta do. Get to the bag. Stay at your 9 if I get on the avenue. You ain't cut out for them bags. Yeah. You are not good enough. You are the type of got people they shouldn't love. And they would know it. You know that you go to. You never cut out for this. You should just give it up. Yeah. That's how they want me to feel. I am the man of the skill, king of the hill, man of the year. Finally feel like I got it for real, yeah. But all of them voices we got them. Why did we hit every bottom? I just came back from my kid in the bottom, and now I'm gonna bring it back all the way on them, yeah. I'm going for mine, you put it on mine. You better believe that.
Un vēl mums šodien bija drift skoliņas pirmie testi ar mūsu instruktoriem. Kā arī mēs tiekamies 4. maijā nākamajā drift treniņā un galvenais neaizmirstiet, kad 16. un 17. maijā ir sezonas atklāšana, tepat Biķerniekos.
I'm going for mine, you put it on mine.